Friends, welcome to Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this model, we are going to discuss our 10th question. Prove that area of the rhombus is equal to the half of the product of its diagonals. So area of rhombus, that is half of the product of diagonals, we have to show like this. Let's consider ABCD is a rhombus. Then what we have to take it here is diagonals. So diagonals means what? The opposite, the line joining opposite vertices. Diagonals here, AC will be equal to D2 and BD will be equal to D1. Then they are intersecting at the point O. Then what we can say here is, let's take height AO will be equal to D2 by, so AO will be equal to D2 by 2. How we can get it here is AO plus what you can write OC will be equal to, what is that? AC. Then so here AO will be equal to OC. Why? Because diagonals bisecting each other. So diagonals are bisect each other. Bisect each other. Bisecting means making into two equal halves, that is AO plus OC. Then what you can write it here as, so AO plus AO will be equal to AC, that is D2. Then 2AO will be equal to D2. Then AO will be equal to D2 by 2. So AO will be equal to D2 by 2, that is OC also D2 by 2. So we have calculated this one. Now we are going to find the actual area of the rhombus. So here let's going to consider area of rhombus, that is ABCD is equal to, we are going to divide this shape into two equal halves, that is let's going to take, this is the first triangle and this is second triangle. So area of, what is that here is, so area of rhombus ABCD will be equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. So BCD. So if you calculate this AC, ABD and BCD, then what we will get? We will get the area of this. So here area of rhombus ABCD, that is equals to, what you can take it here is, let's going to take area of the ABD is half into base into height. For this also half into base into height. So what is this? So here half into base is what in the triangle ABD. So ABD base is equals to BD. Then what is the height here is AO plus half into, in this triangle BCD, what is the base here? This is also BD into height will be equal to OC. So half into, so base is what? So base is BD is nothing but D1. The diagonal is D1. AB will be D2 by 2 plus half into, so BD is D1 diagonal 1, that will be equal to, into DC will be equal to D2 by 2. So let's going to find what is D2 by 2 here, common. So here what you can take common here is, let's take add both of this. Then so half D2 into D2 by 2. So half into D2 by 2 is a common, then D1 plus D1. Then what we will get here is 1 by 4 D2, 2 to the 4, then 2 D1. So that is 1 by 4 D1, that is 2 we will get here, D1 into D2, 2 ones are, then 2 twos are, that is half D1 D2. So this is the area of, so what you can write, area of ABCD is the rhombus. Area of the ABCD rhombus of into D1 into D2. So finally we can write it one condition here. Let's going to write that condition. Area of rhombus ABCD. So rhombus ABCD, what you can write it here is equals to half into D1 D2. So like this we need to find. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and we'll see another method also. So here is another method. So diagonals, what is that? AC will be equal to D2. Then BD will be equal to D1. So BD you can write it as format of DO plus OB. So that is here DO will be equal to OB. Why? Because diagonals are bisecting each other. Let's going to find 2DO will be equal to BD. Then that is, so DO will be equal to, that is DO will be equal to 1 by 2 BD. So what is 1 by 2? BD is D1. So what we will get it here is, therefore DO will be equal to OB will be equal to of D1. Let's going to consider the triangles, triangle ACD and triangle ABC. So what is the triangles if you consider is, so area of rhombus ABCD will be equal to, what you can write, area of triangle ACD plus area of triangle ABC. So this one we will get. So we're going to write this one as it is, half into base into height. So what is the base and the height here? So let's going to take half into base into height plus half into, so this is the area of rhombus ABCD. So half into base into height. So what is that half? So here in the triangle ACD, what is the base? AC plus half into, here also base is AC, height is what? So here, sorry, here height is DO. So here height is what? OB. So let's going to find this one. So let's going to write area of triangle, that is rhombus ABCD will be equal to half into base into height. So here base is equals to D2, then height will be equal to D1 by 2 plus half into base is also D2, then height will be equal to D1 by 2. So area of rhombus, that will be half, that is half into D2 you can take common, sorry, here D1 by 2 you can take common, that is here D2 plus D2, then what we will get, 1 by 4 D1 2 D2 we will get. So what we can write, 1 by 4 D1 into 2 D2, 2 ones are, then 2 twos are, then half into D1 D2. So we have calculated the area of rhombus ABCD. So this one is D1 by 2, this is also D1 by 2 from O. So like this we need to find. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.